Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.13 in the economy, which is notably below our historical baseline. This suggests a significant shift in sentiment over the last 24 hours, despite a momentum reading of plus 0.64. What's particularly striking is the presence of 15 semantic clusters that indicate where this negative sentiment is stemming from, perhaps specific sectors or events driving the conversation. With our API, you can tap into this rich data to gain insights into economic sentiment and its underlying factors. For example, you could integrate this into your financial forecasting models to better understand potential market movements. To explore how you can leverage this data in your applications, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.